it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do another Grove Collaborative haul with you. And if you like watching videos like this or like good smelling cleaning products, then you'll want to keep watching, so stay tuned. If you're watching this today, it is St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And every time St. Patrick's Day rolls around, it really makes me think about spring. Plus, it doesn't hurt living in the South, and we definitely have spring weather. We have even had some 80-degree days, so spring is here. Let me know where you're from. Do you have spring yet? Is it still winter? Drop me a comment in the box below and let me know what kind of weather you're having. But every time this time of year rolls around, all I can think about is fresh green grass, the sun, the spring breeze, having your windows up, the breeze coming in, and doing some good spring cleaning. And what better way to get started with spring cleaning than with Mrs. Meyer's and with Grove. So that's what I'm about to be doing, and I wanted to go ahead and share with you what all I went with on this order. The first thing we're going to look at, and this is new for me, is the Method Daily Wood Cleaner, and it is plant-based. It has supposed to clean grease and grime, so I'm excited to see how this is. It's an almond scent. I really wanted to get this especially for my bathroom. We have a wall that is wood and it's been treated and everything, and so I really wanted to start using something on it that wasn't going to be really harsh to clean it, because we want to make the treatment last as long as possible. So alright, let's check out this scent. Oh yeah, very almond. So if you have ever done any baking, I've done a lot of baking in the past, but if you make homemade icing, buttercream icing specifically, a lot of times people will use almond extract in their icing, and if you have ever smelt that, that's exactly what this smells like. So once you're cleaning with it, I'm sure is going to give off a really nice fragrance, but that is exactly what it reminds me of, almond extract. So the next thing that we have is the Method Anti-Bac All-Purpose Cleaner, and this is in the Wildflower scent. Y'all, I have tried to get this for well over a year now, which we're on our 1-year anniversary that COVID came into play. So I can understand why it's been out of stock, but I have finally gotten it. You'll know from my last haul that I used the Anti-Bac in the bathroom, and it has like a spearmint scent, but this is where you can use it anywhere in the home. It's all-purpose and it's wildflowers, so I've been so excited to get it and try it. Oh yeah, that smells really good. You can kind of smell though the antibacterial killing agent in there, but it smells really good. It says kills 99.9% of household germs and cuts grease and grime. This next one I'm really excited about. This is one of the Mrs. Meyer scents that I love, especially around springtime, and it is the Peony scent. I guess that's how you say it, peony. So that's what this is. I got the whole set of that, and it is very florally, but it smells so good. It's very sweet smelling and clean. I can even smell it with the thing still on there, the tag paper still on there, whatever that's called. Oh, smells so good. I cannot wait to get to using this. I love how when I'm using these products, whether I'm washing dishes, washing my hands, spraying countertops, whatever it may be, all the Mrs. Meyer scents, they just linger. They have such a nice lingering fragrance, and To me, it's not too overbearing or too powerful, but I just love how they all linger and just make things smell good for so long. This is one of my favorites for summertime especially, so I wanted to go ahead and get it, and I figured I could use it, you know, toward the end of spring into summer. But this is the Sea Salt Neroli scent. Sea Salt Neroli. And this stuff right here smells so good. And for me, I think it kind of reminds me of the Nautica perfume for women. Like, but not strong by no means. But it does. It kind of reminds me of the Nautica scent. I got the dishwashing liquid and then also the all-purpose cleaner for that. Cute packaging. I love that. So that is one of my favorites with Caldrea. But this time I did get something else from Caldrea. Like I said, I was running out of everything. Where we are right now, I have to hand wash all my dishes all the time. So I really go through a lot of dish soap right now, way more than I ever did at my other house. And one day I hope to have a dishwasher again, but until that day comes, I'll just wash by hand. But anyway, I did have some of the Mrs. Meyer's rose scent that was left from last year, and so I was able to start using that with the countertop spray, but I didn't have the dish soap. And as of right now, they don't have it on the website. And so if anyone from Grove watches this, please bring back the rose scent. But they don't have it right now on the website. So I decided to go ahead and try out a different one with Caldrea. It is called the Rose Water Driftwood scent. And it's in still one of the older packages. They changed the packaging and the Sea Salt Neroli had it. But let's see what this smells like. It smells really good. Smells really clean. It is not overpowering at all as a rose scent. I would definitely say that Mrs. Meyer's is probably still my favorite. It has more of a rose and flower scent to it. If you've ever smelled rose water before, you'll know that it's not very strong, and that's what this reminds me of. And then it almost has like a hint of a musk, like from the driftwood. So I do think they you know, blended it beautifully. It smells really good though. It does smell really good, really clean. So this will be going in my kitchen today. Okay, so a couple of new things that I did try this time. I have tried the hydrating bar soaps before through Grove, but I also seen this last time where they have the Mrs. Meyer's soaps, bar of soaps. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try those this time. And I went with the honeysuckle scent. And look at how thick. These soaps are very thick, and they last you a long time. And then I also went with the oat blossom scent. And I have this in hand lotion, and I have it on my kitchen sink. So I knew what it smelled like. And I've used the honeysuckle before. And this is one of the spring scents, I do know that you can get on the website now. And it smells really good. If you've ever smelled honeysuckles, you know how good they smell. They're so sweet. And this definitely smells like that. So very excited to try these two as well. Alright, so I only have a few items left. Now I just want to show you a couple of cleaning tools that I decided to get. I've never tried this before, but if any of you know, cleaning your bathtub is never fun to do, but it always helps if you've got something that can help you get the job done. So they have on there this handle that you can use, and then they have the attachments that go with it, and you just slide it up in there, and then you can scrub with a very, very strong, sturdy handle, and it's called the Tub Handler. So cute. So oh, and also the brush is top rack dishwasher safe. So if you ever wanted to run it through your dishwasher to sanitize it, you can definitely do that. The bristles are made from recycled plastic, and that's just wonderful. That's one of the other things that I love about Grove, is how they want to promote products and items that are a little bit safer for the environment, and then also for your family as well. I've said before, cleaning products will never be just 100% green, but if we can get them a little bit greener and safer, that's always a plus. These right here, these are so good. If you don't do Grove for anything else, this is what you need to try. These are the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponges, and what I always do is I will cut it in half, and so I create 4 instead of 2, but they are just wonderful. They also can be used, can be washed, like cleaned in your dishwasher. They're top rack safe, and they are made from ground walnut shells, recycled fibers, and plant-based cellulose. Now, you're probably saying, okay, Mindy, why are they so great? You're talking about how great they are. Why? The main reason why for me is I cannot stand how most of your other sponges and cheaper sponges, and I have used them all, but I cannot stand how they get to smelling. And sometimes it seems like it's only after a few uses. They just get this awful stench. These I have never had do that. Like I say, I cut them in half, and I'll use that little piece for weeks, it seems like, and will not have an odor. So I love that. I feel like, which I'm not recommending you use them for weeks on end, but I do feel like they are really getting the dishes clean and everything taken care of and removed. And then of course I love the fact that they are made from recycled materials, which is nicer to the earth as well. Okay, so we are coming up on the end. The last thing I wanted to show you, as I mentioned in my last haul, according to what you spend each time, they will offer you some free products. And this was one I chose to come with my order. And because I've always used like the, you know, the stainless steel straws, but I have never used the silicone straws before. So these are silicone straws, and they come in this cute little bag, cute little package, and I'll take one out for you. Alright, so this is what they look like, and they are completely silicone. I'm excited about using them. And then they also come with this cute little brush that you can use for cleaning them. You check my description box. I will have a link where you can go to Grove and sign up if you would like, become a member, and you get a free, I think it's a free 5-piece set or a $30 value set. And so you can check out some of these great scents with that. The Mrs. Meyer scent. The Peony is what I am going to be using next, and I'm very excited about that. But there are other scents on there, so you know, if you think you would like to try it out, check out that link below, and it will help save you a little money. Alright, so that is it for this Grove Collaborative haul. I hope you have enjoyed it, And if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, remember to subscribe to my channel to see more future videos like this. And hope you have a very happy and lucky St. Patrick's Day. And we will see you next time. Bye, y'all.